Grade 12s, we are with Isometric 2, and you are given the front view, the top view and the left view of a support. This is the support. This here is the front view. That there is the top view, and this is going to be your left view on your left hand side. All the dimensions are given to you. The position of point P on the drawing sheet is given as well, so you will find on the drawing sheet there is a point where you need to start. Alright, and that's going to be this point P that you will see here indicated in each of the views. You need to use a scale of 1:1 and convert the orthographic views which you see here of the support into a sectional isometric drawing on cutting plane AA. That is very important, a sectional isometric drawing. If you examine clearly, you will see there is a cutting line there which basically cuts out a quarter of this support, and we need to ensure that that part is removed and the hatching lines are being shown. Please make use of the lowest point P to start your drawing. You need to show all the necessary construction and no hidden detail is required. Just to do a little bit of planning around how we're going to approach this drawing, you will find that there is a base area that you will see here and an upright, so we can regard that as part 1, this base over here and that upright. And then of course there is this part here which we are going to put in, which is part 2. So we're going to just close it up there so that it has a full view, and then later on we are going to add the cutting line in there. Please take note that there is however a 45-degree angle that's given, which basically means that that has to be calculated in the form of an auxiliary view somewhere in the blank space there. And that auxiliary view will take the shape of this particular hexagon here, and that there will be determined as well. So I'm going to suggest that we rather start with the auxiliary view, as we have an equilateral triangle here as well as half a hexagon. So what we're going to do is we are going to do the triangular shape first, and that is 40 here, which has a 60-degree angle and a 60-degree angle that side. And then of course you are going to measure down from this point 10 and 10 so that you have a base here. And then for you to be able to get this point here, you are going to measure up 35 so that you get that point there from your 35, and you're going to draw a line. You're going to have the center, which is there, which is that point over there, and then you are going to arc 30 from here to there as a radius like that there. And then you're going to cut that 30 off along that side and along that side there, so that you can have this shape that you have there. And then you're going to project this over across like that, so that you have this piece of shape taken out and placed here, which means that point there is going to be this point over here, which is that point over there at 45 degrees. So you're going to have this at 45 degrees angle, and then you're going to project this over until you get that part over there, and you will find your different measurements like that there, and the measurement from that point to that point that will serve as this measurement and that measurement there. So let's do that formally in the blank area out of the space for the drawing, and you will be able to see how I'm going to retrieve my dimensions over here clearly. Let's do that.